Use a silk cotton sari for this method. Keep the sari behind the person. Take one end over the right waist. Then make a double knot in between the sari, across the waist, right over the navel. Take the loose fabric over the person between the legs and make small pleats. And tuck it in the back. Now take the front length of the sari and make pleats. And tuck it in the center. Bring the sari around the waist towards the front and make pleats for the pallu. Secure it with a pin over the left shoulder. This method has a really short pallu length. Use a chiffon or georgette half and half lehenga sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end on the right side, and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front. Fold the sari and bring it around again to the front. This sari has the front pleats stitched in ready-made. Now make pleats for the pallu. And secure it with a pin. Use a chiffon or georgette sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end on the right side, and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Bring the sari around the person and bring to the front again. Make pleats on the pallu and secure it flowing from back to front, keeping it long. Make pleats in the front and secure in the center. Now bring the pallu end in a single layer. Drape it around the left waist. And secure it below the left waist after bringing it around the person once fully.